You got an attitude today? You got an attitude today? They're gonna expect to see you. Come on. 1 week update. 1 week update. 1 week update. Don't mind him. That's just how he show his love. Hi everyone, we are back. My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here, and if you're back for my update, then I am so excited to show y'all. I have not been paying really any attention to my hair. I've just been pretty busy with work and my school responsibilities, so I haven't even been micromanaging my hair like I thought I would when I first got my hair done. So when I took these pictures, I was like, what? That's my hair, it's doing something. So I'm really excited to show y'all. Right now I'm going to insert a side-by-side comparison of a few angles that I took when I first got my hair done, and I'm going to show you how they look now. You can tell the locks are definitely increasing in size, so they're shrinking up a little bit, but they're also growing and getting fatter, which is what I was really excited for because I didn't like how skinny they were. I didn't like that they were kind of stiff. Now I have a lot more fluidity to my hair and it's looking really good. So I'm gonna show you guys a 360. This is the front, obviously. And this is the side and the back. I feel like the back shows the most change because you can really see that my hair is starting to do whatever it wants to do, and I love that it's starting to frizz up. I know eventually I'm gonna hate the frizz, but right now the frizz is kind of cute, but we'll see how I'm feeling when the frizz get crazy. But yes, that's how my hair looks. I've been mostly wearing my hair down like this, or I'm gonna show y'all, I've been putting it in a low pony like this, which I thought was super cute. Low pony. Or I've also been doing it in a high bun. I don't know how it looks because I can't see myself right now, but like this. Hopefully that's cute. And y'all get the picture. Shimmy up, boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop boop. Pow. But that's all I've been really doing to my hair. Mostly wearing it down because I don't want it to you know how hair gets when you wear it in ponytails, it wants to go straight up. So I've really only been doing that when I go to work. I don't want random stuff falling in my hair and nasty dirt, so I try to keep it all together. But that's how I've been wearing my hair thus far in this week. To maintain it, I've only been tying it up at night with a silk scarf, of course, wearing my bonnet, which has surprisingly been staying on. I don't know what magic these locks got in it, but my bonnet has been staying on, which it never does. So kudos to my bonnet. And that's pretty much it, except for one major thing. My loctician gave me this pure lemon juice when I first went to her, and she told me that I needed to not dilute it and to put this in a spray bottle and spray it on my hair twice a day. So I've mostly been doing that. I think I missed one day just because I was super busy and I completely forgot. So I just put it in this spray bottle, and this is an old spray bottle, of course, but it still works. And I just give it I spray from far away just so it doesn't get too drenched. And I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I do 1 in the middle / for good luck. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's about it. I also oiled my hair, I want to say 2 days ago, because I have a really dry scalp and I felt that my scalp was getting a little bit too dry. So I went ahead and went in with my olive oil, 100% olive oil, 100% extra virgin olive oil, and I put that on my scalp just so that my scalp doesn't go crazy, because I have an extremely dry scalp, but I have really absorbent hair, so I have to do that. And I think today I also just ran a little bit of oil on it because it was looking a little bit dry. But that's about it. I haven't been doing anything else. I haven't been spraying any water on it. I haven't been adding any products. I haven't done my edges. I haven't done my edges, y'all. I haven't done my edges. And I don't think I'm going to do my edges because I don't want the buildup, because when I use edge control, it definitely builds up in my hair, and I know that if I use it, it's just gonna push back and be stuck in these locks on the perimeter. So that's definitely not what I want to happen. I'm hoping that I can come up with some type of natural edge control that can actually hold my hair. I know a lot of people use like flaxseed gel, but honestly that is not gonna hold nothing over here. Like, my hair is gonna laugh at me when I put that on my hair. It's gonna laugh at me. So I'm trying to figure that out. Me and my sister are trying to come up with some concoctions, so maybe we'll be able to show that on the video. If I find something that holds my hair and has me looking good, I will definitely show you guys. Something that's not gonna clog my hair or cause buildup. I will be updating you guys on my lemon juice routine, because my loctician says it's supposed to help your hair lock faster, and for my hair texture it just keeps it like a little bit moist so that it can draw up. So the whole point is to wet your hair so it can expand and then let it contract, because that's how you get the locking going, and that's how you get the beautiful tangles that are locks. So yes, that's about it. I can't wait till I'm at a month. I can't wait till I'm at a month. Like, this week flew. But yeah, please comment any questions you have about my locks, any comments you have. What do you think about this lemon juice stuff? Because I'm really just leaning on my loctician and praying that it's the right thing to do for my hair. But let me know any questions, comments, concerns. Are you deciding if you want to get locks, or what's holding you back? Let me know. And I can't wait to see y'all next time. We out. My love, say bye-bye. Bye. Don't get an attitude, because you know you want to be in my video.